Today is the day, as you guys can't tell, or can tell. Let me try to focus on this. It's in Japanese. These are the headlights going on the Silvia today, so let's unbox it. UPS got that flame. Alright guys, yeah, these are good as condition. So these are the headlights that will be going on the Silvia today. They're actually really good condition. They're called bricks, if you guys didn't know. Brick headlights for S13, the Silvia front ends, but mine's the real Silvia. So I've been wanting these for a while. I bought them, I want to say probably August, maybe July. But because of COVID, you know, all the shipping from Japan couldn't be possible. So I paid extra for shipping for UPS to bring it. So yeah, they're actually really, really clean. I don't know if you guys can tell, they look pretty much brand new in my opinion. Like all the holes are still there, all the tabs. They're amazing. So yeah, let's go put them, or let's get the Silvia and then put them on. Alright guys, so this might be the last time you see these lights on here. I don't know. I like the look. I like having the projectors, you know. I kind of like how the circle looks where everything's squared off, because, you know, I don't know. We'll see if I like. We'll see if I even like the bricks. Just because it's gonna be too many, too boxy, I should say. Too many squares, too many rectangles. Yeah, too boxy. But I like how these look. So if I do not like how those look, I'll just sell them. It's not something I just want to keep. You know, bro. I just make my money. You know. So yeah. So this might be the last time you guys see the projectors on here. Might not. We'll see. And yeah, let's get to it.
Yo, this shit OP.
So I got the bulb in, and it's gonna be connected to that, and then this connects to where's it at? The same one this connected to. So yeah, I guess this was fairly easy, but now I just need to go find another bulb. So that's the difference of the headlights. How, well, maybe it'll look dope. We'll see. But just found my other bulb. So let's put them on. And then there's a little black wire just dangling. That's how it came. So if it doesn't work, then I know where to plug it in. It would be on one of the bulbs that I put in. There's only 2 connectors on that one. So let's bolt everything on. Damn! I might stick with these, bro. No cap. That's just hard, bro. Comment down below what you guys think, but I don't know. I thought I was gonna like those better than those, but no, sir. I think I fell in love. Yeah. Nah, that shit looks hella good, though. I'm not gonna lie. But let's finish putting everything on, and then we could talk some business. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like these. These are brick headlights for the Silvia front end S13s. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. A lot of people like the projectors, but a majority of the people like bricks. But they're more expensive. I should say really expensive compared to those. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and you know, we'll finish putting everything on, and then we'll take some pictures, maybe even take it to the wash, and then go take some pics tonight. So we'll see. But let's finish putting everything on. That looks super good. I love it. I don't know, bro. You guys tell me what you guys think, man. It really went from that to that. I already dig it. Really, really dig it. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, so I'll probably end the video here, but add some pictures at the end of the video. So, um, with that being said, thanks for watching, and leave a like, comment. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're almost at 200, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 so I give away that seat, guys. Come on, man. You guys are slacking. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And comment what I should do next to the car, the SEMA, the Silvia, or what car I should get next. Ooh, oh, yeah, I know you guys like that one, head ass. But yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. So peace out.